Assalamualaikum to Madam Linda. My name is Nur Alia Husna binti Muhammad Hairi. My register number is 01D8022F1005. I'm going to present question of case study Organization Behaviour (OB). First question is define organization, change and brief explain why the manufacturing company has decided to undergo a digital transformation. List two internal factor and two external factor that might have influenced the company decision. Definition of organization change. Organization change refer to a significant shift or transformation within a company structure, process, culture, strategy or technology. It involves altering the way an organization operates in response to internal or external factors, with the aim of improving efficiency, competitiveness, growth, or adaptation to new circumstances. In the case of a manufacturing company opting for digital transformation, several reasons might drive this strategy shift, such as enhance efficiency, improve decision making, and adaptation to industry trends. Internal factor. First, leadership. The style, vision, and effectiveness of leadership greatly influence the organization culture, direction, and employees' morale. For example, communication a clear vision. The CEO articulate a compelling vision for the company future, emphasizing the need to adapt to changing market demands and outlining a strategy direction for growth. Next, organization culture. This involves value, belief, attitude, and behavior shared by employees, affecting their motivation, productivity, and decision making. For example, is flexible works environment. The company offer flexible working hour and remote work option, emphasizing trust in employees' ability to manage their time effectively. Internal factor. First, leadership. The style, vision, and effectiveness of leadership greatly influence the organization culture, direction, and employees' morale. For example, communication a clear vision. The CEO articulate a compelling vision for the company future, emphasizing the need to adapt to changing market demands and outlining a strategy direction for growth. Next, organization culture. This involves value, belief, attitude, and behavior shared by employees, affecting their motivation, productivity, and decision making. For example, is flexible works environment. The company offer flexible working hour and remote work option, emphasizing trust in employees' ability to manage their time effectively.
Hi, my name is Fatih Sujida binti Saleh and my matrix number is 01D8022F1020. So I will continue with the second question, which is analyze potential reason for resistance to the digital transformation within the manufacturing company. Provide examples specific to the employee's perspective, considering factors such as fear of the unknown, reluctance to change established processes, insecurity, and concern about increased workload. So let's continue with the answer. So the first resistance is fear of the unknown. The definition is fear or anxiety stemming from uncertainty about new technologies or changes leading to resistance to adopting them. Employees may resist digital transformation due to apprehension about how new technologies might affect their job or work processes. For example, employees in emulation factories such as Singer or Proton, they might fear using advanced robotics for assembly tasks, worrying about job security or their ability to operate the machines effectively. They might also fear of losing their job due to the changes in working environment because everything has been done by the technologies. And now the second resistance is reluctance to change established process. The definition is unwillingness to alter or abandon familiar, existing methods or workflows in favor of new ones. The explanation is employees might resist adopting new technology tools if they are accustomed to traditional manual processes, fearing disruption or believing the current methods are sufficient. For example, workers in emulation manufacturing, such as Top Glove, they might resist implementing an automated inventory system because they prefer the familiarity and control of their manual inventory management processes. And now the third resistance, which is insecurity. Insecurity is the concern or doubt about the applicability or value of existing skills in the face of technological advancement. Employees might resist digital transformation due to worries about their current skills becoming outdated, leading to insecurities about their future employability or roles. For the last resistance is concern about increased workload. Concern about increased workload mean that employees are worried they might have to do more work or spend extra time because of the new digital changes. This fear of having to do more work or spend extra time because of new technology can make employees hesitant or resistant to embracing these changes in their environment. For instance, if a factory in Malaysia brings in new software to track inventory, employees might worry that they will need extra time to learn how to use it properly. They might also fear that using new system will add more tasks to their daily routine or make their existing tasks more complicated.
Thank you, Fatih. My name is Nurul Zulaika binti Mokpauzi, and my registration number is 0180 I will continue with question C, which is I have supposed to press 5 strategies that the company's leadership can implement to overcome resistance to change effectively. For the first one is education. Education is ensure clear and consistent communication about the reason for change, emphasizing the benefit it brings. Provide comprehensive training programs to educate employees on the new technologies, addressing their concerns, and building confidence in the upcoming change. For example, the organization communicates a clear announcement about the upcoming implementation of a new project management system. The organization also need to conduct interactive workshops where employees can engage with the new technology hands-on. Trainers address common concerns and showcase how the system will simplify their tasks, making the learning process more practical and relevant. Second, participation. Participation is involved employee in the decision-making process related to the digital transformation. Seek their input, address their concerns, and make them feel part of the change. This inclusivity fosters a sense of ownership and reduces resistance. For example, before selecting a new collaboration platform, the organization conducts a needs assessment by involving employees from various departments. Leadership actively listens to employees' feedback and concerns, demonstrating a commitment to addressing issues as they arise. Next, facilitate. Organize workshops and discussions where employees can openly express their concerns and ideas regarding the change. Facilitate dialogue. can help address apprehensions and foster a collaborative approach to finding solutions. For example, the leaders could organize workshops or meetings where employees express their concerns and uncertainties about the change. Facilitator could address the concerns, provide training sessions, and encourage a collaborative environment for employees to adapt to the new system together. This open dialogue and support help ease resistance and foster a more positive attitude toward the change. Then, negotiation. Negotiation is involved engaging stakeholders in discussions, addressing concerns, and finding mutually beneficial solutions. It means collaboratively navigating through objections, understanding perspective, and reaching agreements that promote acceptance of the proposed change. For example, through discussion and consultation, the management engages with staff to understand their For example, through discussion and consultation, the management engages with staff to understand their apprehensions. They may offer training sessions, ensure adequate support during the transition, and highlight the long-term benefit of improved efficiency. The negotiation involve finding compromises, such as phased implementation to ease the adjustment. Finally, is caution. Caution as a method to overcome resistance to change involve using force, pressure, or threats to compel individuals or groups to accept and adopt the proposed change. This approach relies on authority and power to enforce compliance rather than addressing concerns, building understanding, or gaining voluntary support. For example, a manager informing employees that failure to adopt a new digital system within a specific time frame will result in job termination. In conclusion, the manufacturing organization's pursuit of a digital transformation strategy signals a commitment to enhancing competitiveness and efficiency. Successfully navigating this change will require employees to adapt, modify workflows, and embrace a more data-driven production model. With leadership prioritizing agility and innovation, the company is poised to stay ahead in the industry by leveraging modern technologies to drive progress. That's all for our presentation today. Thank you very much.